Hi everyone, welcome back to Coffee Cake Quilt Company. My name is Lauren and today I have the March 2026 sampler to share with all of you. If you do not know, this is a subscription box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out every single month. It is $34.95 starting in April, so if you sign up now, you'll pay the $34.95. They did just increase their price from $29.95. They sent out a communication yesterday actually, and then shipping is $4.95. You can also upgrade your shipping if you want the box to come to you a little bit sooner than 3 to 5 business days. There's a 1-day option and a 2-day option as well. And I do want to mention that Fat Quarter Shop gives me this box for free for my honest review. All right, let's go ahead and see what they sent in this month's box. Inside we have our insert. It says Sweet Springtime, March 2026. And I'll just read to you what's on the back here. We do have a 15% off of Jolly Bar code. We also have a Jolly Bar Day, so May 9th, Saturday, May 9th is Jolly Bar Day. There's an extra special live stream and Kimberly Jolly is going to demonstrate a brand new free Jolly Bar pattern. So check that out on May 9th. And then there's also a quilt. It's called Jolly Bar Jazz Shortcut Quilt that is available on the Fat Quarter Shop's website for anybody. You don't have to be a Sew Sampler subscriber. So let me go ahead and show you this barcode now. Next here we have our foldable insert. This does tell us the contents of our box as well as the price of each item. At the end, I'll go ahead and total that up and see what we saved in this month's box. First up, we have this little item here. This is a 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handled by Purple Hobbies. It does retail for $6.98, and it says the 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle gives you control and curbs any cutting mishaps. It easily attaches to any ruler using self-adhesive steel discs, giving you a steady, comfortable grip. Once in place, the handle helps you hold the ruler while protecting your fingers. See the included insert for more detailed instructions. Thoughtfully designed for control and convenience, it's a practical little helper that makes precise cutting feel easier and safer. Okay, so this says for safer rotary cutting with rulers measuring 3 inches or longer, obviously because it's a 2-inch holder. Okay, Purple Hobbies. All right, there are detailed instructions here on their website. And then it looks like there's some removable and reusable discs on the back. I'll go ahead and open this up to show us a little bit better in detail. Protects your fingers from rotary blades, makes positioning rulers fast and easy. I might have to destroy this box to open it. Oh man. All right. It also destroyed my nail polish. It's okay. Ooh, goodness me. Well, ooh, there we go. It's a sturdy box. Okay. So here is the bottom. It has these reusable, repositionable, peel and stick adhesive backed labels here. And then this is the design on the roller holder. All right, and you just grip it like this. Okay, speaking of ruler holders, we do have a 2-inch by 6-inch CGR ruler by Creative Grids for Fat Quarter Shop. This retails for $8.48. Okay, it says Fat Quarter Shop's Creative Grids custom ruler is a handy little helper that makes precision feel effortless. Its compact size is ideal for trimming small blocks, lining up angles, and tackling detailed cuts on quilts with confidence. Clear, easy to read markings keep everything accurate and smooth, and the grippy backing helps you cut with ease. Practical and polished, this ruler turns cutting into one of the most satisfying parts of sewing. We are getting a lot of rulers lately, and I have to say I love it. I love these small rulers. They're super handy, like it said, for precision cutting and for small pieces when you have quilts that have really small pieces. Right, I don't know if you can see, but there is this kind of grippy material on the back here, and it creates friction so the ruler doesn't really slide very easily. And then of course we have our ruler holder. I'm not going to take this off because I don't think I would use it personally on this little ruler. I might use it on a slightly bigger ruler, but this would just go ahead and adhere right to the middle of that. And then of course you could hold this ruler down while you're using your rotary cutter. All right, next up we have this small 50-weight Aurifil Light Salmon 100% cotton Mako thread by Aurifil. It does retail for $6.98, and it says add a soft touch of sweetness to your sewing with the Light Salmon 100% cotton Mako thread by Aurifil. With 220 yards on each spool, this gentle rosy pastel feels right at home in your cheerful sewing space. Its warm, subtle glow blends beautifully with light fabrics without stealing the spotlight, making it perfect for piecing, quilting, and all those delicate details. Strong, smooth, and reliable, this high-quality thread ensures smooth stitching and polished results you'll love working with again and again. Okay, let me see what color this is because you always ask. It's 2220. Okay. All right, because we did get a Jolly Bar this month, there's actually quite a few patterns, so I'll go through the fabric first. So here we have this. This is Heather from My So Quilty Life. This is Pastel Prairie Jolly Bar. My So Quilty Life from Moda Fabrics retails for $24.98. And it does say, step out under the warm sun and wander into the Pastel Prairie with So Quilty Life. This Jolly Bar includes 5-inch by 10-inch pieces of the full collection and a free exclusive quilt pattern. Pastel Prairie is filled with gentle florals drifting across buttery yellows, blush pinks, minty greens, and sky blues, all mingling with cheerful ginghams and dainty stripes. With its light, fresh palette and charm, it feels like the first true days of spring, adding just the right hint of sweetness to the season. I feel like I've already pre-ordered this box. If you haven't already done so, or if you would like to, My So Quilty Life does have a box that Heather puts out. I think it's like maybe twice a year. It's with every collection, and this is the next collection, and I believe it comes out in like October timeframe, August, October, something like that. I can put details below. I did pre-order this box because I love her fabrics so much. Okay, I am not going to open this Jolly Bar, but I will go ahead and put the color card up here as I show you the patterns for this Jolly Bar. Our first pattern that comes with our Jolly Bar here is called Lullaby Stars. It is 60.5 by 60.5 inch square quilt. On the back here, there is a little excerpt on Heather of My So Quilty Life if you wanted to read that, just to see how she got into quilting and pattern designing and doing fabrics as well. Next, we have our Taffy quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop, and it does retail for $9.98. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive, so I will go ahead and link the Sew Sampler Swap Facebook group down below. You can go and check that out if you would like this pattern for yourself because you don't receive the box. And it says the Taffy quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is as sprightly and inviting as it sounds. With its playful angles and flowing layout, this design lets soft pastels and happy prints shine, creating a quilt that feels light, bright, and full of movement. The repeating shape gives it a sweet, almost candy-like rhythm. While the clean structure keeps everything feeling polished and timeless, it's truly a feel-good project that's fun to sew. All right, it does finish at 52.5 inches by 60.5 inches. Here are the fabric requirements for those of you who want to buy the kit, or maybe if the kit's sold out, like sometimes it does, you can go ahead and get these items before they sell out. Also, looking through this pattern, I just wanted to see how complicated it was because it's kind of like these parallelograms, I guess, but these are just half square triangles. So this is a super, I mean, I guess it's not beginner friendly. Maybe half square triangles are a little bit slightly higher than beginner friendly, just because you do really have to make sure that you square those blocks up before you piece them together or your quilt will end up super wonky. But it definitely is a beginner-ish friendly pattern if you wanted to check this out. We also have our final block of the flowering quilt along. This is block number 12. We did get the finishing pattern. I'll show you that in a second. So this says this month's flowering quilt block and finishing is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as the sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flowering block patterns are available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and I did check recently and they're all still available, or once again, you could get those from the Sew Sampler Swap. This does retail for $9.96 because you got the finishing pattern as well. So here is the block. And here is the finishing pattern. If you want to see the full quilt, here it is. And I believe these fabrics are by Camille Roskelly. All right, that's it for this month's box. Let's total up what we got and see if we saved anything. Our total came out to $67.36. Let me go ahead and subtract the $29.95 that we paid for this box. So we saved $37.41 by purchasing this box. Like I said, in April next month, the box price will go up to $34.95, but that's just a $5 increase. And as you can see, we do make quite a bit of savings, and so you'll still be able to see the value in this box month after month. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to know what your favorite item is down below. Go ahead and post that in the comments section, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.